Hello everyone. Welcome to the Pharmacist Talks. This video is about Sehat Insaf Card, which is a breakthrough project in healthcare sector of Punjab and KPK. In this video, we will discuss about the eligibility, treatment packages and steps to use of Sehat Insaf Card. Every resident of Punjab and KPK provinces is eligible for Sehat Insaf Card. Text CNIC to 8500 to check. 2 treatment packages. Secondary and priority. Amount coverage given below. These are the medical services you can avail under secondary and priority packages. Step 1. Check eligibility. Step 2. Get Sehat Insaf Card. Step 3. Gather information and important documents. Step 4. Get your treatment on Sehat Insaf Card. Step 5. Get your treatment free of cost. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.